This animation simulates the parallax that stars around the Orion Nebula would have for a moving fictional observer. In other words, as our observer moves in a specific direction in space, the stars in the field of view appear to move relative to them, similar to how objects outside seem to move when viewed from a moving car. For comparison, another animation where only zooming in and out is done does not show the parallax effect. The stars move uniformly regardless of their distances. The image used in the animation is completely real. However, the motion of the stars has been digitally created, which does not precisely reflect reality. First, over 6,000 photos of a specific region of the sky were taken, and these photos were later stacked to create the image used in the animation. The image was then appropriately processed for visual use. The stars in this image have been divided into 5 distinct groups based on their distances from the Sun. These are approximately 2,500 light-years, 1,500 light-years, 1,000 light-years, 500 light-years, and 130 light-years. Additional background stars were then added to the original image and grouped into a single category. The distance data for the stars were obtained from the Stellarium catalog. Stars without distance data and the nebulae were grouped into 2 separate categories. Finally, different motion effects were applied to a total of 8 distinct categories. Observing each star group individually, one can easily discern that they possess different speeds compared to stars in other groups. If these are superimposed on top of each other, a depiction of a parallax effect close to reality would be achieved for our fictional space traveler.